Welcome to the Social Carbon portal. This is your dashboard, which is the central place where you'll be managing all actions on the platform. You can see there's a number of tabs. We have projects, which is where you can voluntarily provide details on your projects and enable other people to ask questions and share insights on those projects. And to add those new projects, you want to click this button here, and you can edit them and view them and also delete them. There's discussions. This is where you've created a discussion topic or where someone's messaged you directly, or topics that you've contributed towards, or they're involving your project. You can add new ones clicking this button here. You can also upload articles and other thought leadership or relevant insights, which are publicly available. So you can view it here, delete, or also add new ones. Bookmarks, so this is where you've identified a conversation, an insight, or a project which is of interest to you and you want to save it and be able to look at it later on. And this is where you manage those, so you can view them or you can cancel them. Audits, this is how you manage validations and verifications through the portal. Here we can see completed audits. If you are the admin for your organization, and there can be multiple admins per organization, this is where you can manage your team. So you can suspend users if they're no longer working for that organization, or you can give them admin access so they can do specific actions such as creating new audits. And then the details tab enables you to update information about yourself, change your password, and if needed, delete your account. What we're going to do now on a project developer account is to create a new audit. So in this case, what the platform does is it pulls the projects related to your account from the registry and drops them down. So here we've selected one project, and you want to select the audit type. So is it a validation or a verification? You then want to select from the Social Carbon approved VVBs, and then select who from your team you'd like to have access to the audit. You can change this at a later stage, so don't worry if other team members aren't on the platform yet and you want them to have access. After that, you want to put in your password, confirm you accept the privacy policy and conditions, and then create the audit. So the audit's now been created, and the first thing you'll want to do is to upload a document. So in this case, we're going to upload a document and call it version 1.01. We're going to upload a template monitoring report in Word document format and upload that. So now we can see the document in PDF format, and here we can also see the comments. So if there are comments in your Word document, you can view them here. So it gives you that simplicity to add comments to documents and see them to streamline those reviews. And if there's links in the document, they will remain so you can move between the document. Now, in terms of the portal itself, there's a number of buttons. So if you want to download the document that's been uploaded or the specific file in Word format, you can just click this button here. We've got the status of what is the progress of this validation or verification, and we can see who has access to this audit. Orange means they're a VVB, and we can also search for comments, create new comments, or filter them. We're going to create a comment. Now we can also upload additional comments, and this can be in multiple formats, including PowerPoint, spreadsheets, Word documents, or PDFs. In this case, we're not going to do that. So now this comment will be publicly available to anyone who has access to this audit. And you can actually edit your comments, or you can delete them. Now, we can also reply to our own comments. In this case, I'm going to add a spreadsheet. Now it's been uploaded, I'm going to save that. And now anyone can view this document. Now, if that document has been uploaded in PDF format, once this button has been clicked to this icon, it will open a new tab and show that PDF. If it's a Word document, a PowerPoint, a spreadsheet, for example, that will download it onto your local computer, and you'll be able to view it in the download section of your computer. Again, you can edit these comments and delete them if necessary. Now, if we wanted to change access, so this is for the admins of the organization, we can remove who has access by clicking the X button here and saving that. And we can also give them access as well by selecting which ones we want to have access. And you typically do this if a user is no longer with your organization, or you want to add access to a document for different team members. What we're now going to do is jump over to a VVB account and show you what it looks like from their perspective. We're now in our VVB dashboard. If we go to the audits, we can see the audits which have been assigned to us. If we click view, we can now see the comments related to this project and also the files if we wanted to. Now, we can also upload as a VVB document, so you can upload file version. In this case, I'm going to upload the same document. Now, you'll notice we can now flip between different versions of the document. And again, we can still download the non-PDF version. And in this case, we're going to write a new comment. Now, you'll notice the VVBs are in orange. And again, you can add comments. In this case, we can see that we have a new comment here. What we're going to do in version 1, just to show you the feature as well, is create a new comment. Just going to call it test. And if you want to, you can search for specific comments. So if I'm going to just type search now. Sorry, just going to search test. Here we can see that comment. We can then filter. So if we want the oldest comments at the top, we click it here. And if we click it again, it will have the newest at the top. Like with the project developer, we can manage who has access to the documents, comments, and also the audit. So if I click save, we can add one of our colleagues. And again, we can remove them by doing the same process again. In addition to what the project developer has, VVBs can also update the status, so they can update the progress. So let's put 25% and save that. And then when they're finally ready, they can mark it as complete. So again, you're going to put in your password. The progress does automatically go to 100%, even if you don't put it in here. And we can now see it is 100% complete. If we go back to our dashboard now and go to the audit section, we can see our completed verification here. And now we have the option to upload our final verification report in this case. So we can select the document, put in our password and confirm, and then that will upload that verification report in PDF format directly to the registry. So here you want to be uploading in PDF just to make sure that's clear. Now, only the admins for that organization can upload those documents. But what it does is it streamlines that process. So once you finalize that report, it gets automatically updated and uploaded onto the registry. This is the same for project developers. Once that audit is complete, they can upload the final version of their document, whether that be the PDD or monitoring report, in PDF format here, which will then automatically upload it into the registry.